Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to change video resolution in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, switch to the video mode, tap here, and here you can change its resolution. You can set up 720p, 1080p, and also 4K resolution. And you can also change frame rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.